Alright, so in this video I have two DVR recordings of WUSA and one of its sub-channels. I didn't feel like waking up for the monthly this month. But apparently something happened with WTOP. They relayed it twice. The first time they accidentally sent a monthly with weekly duration and no message, and then apparently they went and did it again properly. So if these stations went off twice, you're gonna see two relays from both stations. The first is a fail, the second is the correct one. So here's the first relay of WUSA.
That's how I felt. That's exactly how I felt. Like,
Oh, and by the way, they have a new encoder. New encoder and the DASDEC scroll that a lot of the PBS stations have. Alright, on to the next one. Alright, so I did get the second relay on DVR, so here it is.
Julia, the ball. There you go. Okay, throw the ball, Julia. Whoa.
For Julia's family, early screening for autism made a lifetime of difference.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast and cable stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If there's been an actual emergency, official messages will follow this alert tone. This concludes our test of the emergency alert system.
The women that we are today, if it wasn't for our better half helping us every direction we go.
Alright, so here is the first relay on WUSA 3.
And with heavy drinking.
They have the same scroll as their second sub-channel. Alright, now the final relay in this video, the second relay over WUSA 3.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast and cable stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If there's been an actual emergency, official messages will follow this alert tone. This concludes our test of the emergency alert system.
Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.